Hi guys, welcome once again. This is Kelly from Bond Machines, and today I'll be reviewing the Brother Model 345 sewing machine, a very strong machine at that, and one of my personal favorite brand. Okay, so quickly I want to thank all my subscribers and those that buy these machines from me, those that watch my videos also. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate the love. All right, so quickly I'll walk through the features of the machine and also do some couple of stitches with the machine as also. And these machines that I review on my page, I make sure that I service them to work optimally. So when you're buying them from me or before I use them for the videos, I make sure they are already in shape. I test out all the stitches and all that. So to make sure I give out a perfect product and you won't have to complain and have issues when you make purchase of this machine. All right, so quickly, it has a double thread stand which you use for twin needle. Of course, the electric motor is at the back. Okay, and this is the control for the pressure of the footer. Okay, you can actually press that down. Sorry, press it down and take that in. All right, right here you have the tension. Of course, you have the LMR, which is the left, the middle, and the right needle position in case you want to use it for buttonhole. Over here you have some numbers from 0 to 5, 0 being for the regular straight stitch. That's this lever turns that. Why if it's on 5, you're sewing the zigzag. This actually tends to hold the lever in place when you're stitching. Right here is the stitch length regulator, which is from 0 to about 5. Okay. Then over here you have it has a punch-in mechanism for reverse. All right. Right here you have the control for the feed dogs in case you want to drop down or you want it to be raised a little bit higher. All right, it uses the regular bobbin and shuttle mechanism. All right, and it's a side threading mechanism machine, so you thread from left to right. All right, so I'll quickly show you how to wind the bobbin and also do some couple of stitches with the machine. All right, guys, and winding the bobbin from the thread stand. Okay, you just do something like a loop here. There's a spring mechanism here. Okay, more like a star shape there. Then you wind the thread on the bobbin you want to use and you place the bobbin on the bobbin winder. Okay, you just push that towards the wheel, and when you hit the foot pedal, so when you've gotten the wand you want, to just push that back and you take that in. Okay, so that's a neatly wound bobbin. Now to thread the machine is quite easy. From the thread stand, okay, you take it past this, there's a small looper here, then you take it past this one here, then you bring it all the way down to the shuttle, or to the tension rather. Make sure you lift the footer up from the back. Make sure you lift this up from the back so the thread can pass easily on the tension. Then you raise that up, then take it down to the thread take up. Okay, up to the thread take up. Then from there you go sideways, then sideways here, then you thread from left to right. All right, so quickly I'll show you how to go over it again, how to thread it again. All right, from here to this point here, so this point here, it has to, you can actually use any one of these two. Then all the way down to the tension, goes up, the thread take up, then down, 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 then you thread from left to right. All right, so I'll quickly thread the needle and also sew the machine. All right, I already threaded the needle. Now for the regular straight stitch, like I said earlier on, this lever has to be on this 0 mark here, and I'm using the middle needle position. All right, so when I sew through, so I'll bring that back. That's the straight stitch. All right, that's the front and that's the back of the fabric. Okay, neatly sewn. All right, so I'll just quickly sew through again. All right, so see that? All right, so now you can actually reduce the stitch length. So I'll do a more let me use number 3 here. This is the indicator, this red dot here. So when I sew through, so that's the much more reduced stitch length. Now if you want to sew the zigzag, you just turn this lever out to 5. I'm using number 5. You can use any number because most times when you use a buttonhole, you alternate within 4, 5, and 2. All right, so but for the purpose of this tutorial or this review, I'll be using number 5. Okay, so I'm leaving it on 3, and when I sew through, alright, so that's number 3. Okay, that's the back, that's the front. Alright, so when I sew through, I can actually reduce this further to get much more reduced stitch length. Let me use number 2. Okay, take it down to 1.5. Alright, so that's the much more reduced stitch length, so I can take it all the way to 3. Alright, so I'll just leave it at this. So when I sew through, alright, so now if you want to return back to regular straight stitch, you just take that all the way to 5 and push this to 1, and these are reverse like I talked about. Alright, reverse. Alright, so let me just do that once again so you see. Alright, sew through, reverse. Alright guys, so this is the Brother Model 345 sewing machine. Thank you so much guys for watching, and God bless you.